Hey friends, date calculations can be very crucial for a lot of people, and I will help you with a very easy method for that. You can simply use the Windows calculator. So here's what you have to do. Search for calculator in the Windows search bar and open calculator, and then click on the symbol at the top right here. Okay, the standard one would be the default one. You can select the option for date calculation. Okay, and then you can find the difference between two dates. Okay, and let's say this date, we have a difference of 2 weeks and 1 days, and you can also use it to add or subtract the days. Okay, so let's say from 16th to let's say 9 years from now, what would it be? So it would be August 16, 2023. This can be a super duper useful tool. Isn't this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.